You know, as you get older, how often do you really get to spend time with your siblings? And look at Lati, just look at her. Can't even work in peace, man. But Mila baby is getting her first experience at Ocean Life. That's what she's getting her first experience at.
My first ocean.
Yeah, man. Ocean Life, baby. Ocean Life, baby. Oh, yeah.
I wish I could be a fish for a day.
Why?
So I could swim in the ocean. No, fishes don't have to learn how to swim. They just do it.
They just do it?
Yeah, they just do it. I'm the star in your movie.
You never knew, yeah, yeah. You never knew. 100,000 on the coupe, yeah, yeah. 1,000 on the coupe. With some killers, my niggas a load up and shoot, yeah, yeah.
Say what's up to Mila, baby. Let me hit that Zoom real quick. Hey.
Oh my God! Yeah, we're currently in Los Angeles, California right now. It's been dope. You know, so follow my YouTube channel.
She ain't got no YouTube channel. That was funny.
Mine, the video.
Yeah, you already know.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
I was gonna say,
all this talk about a YouTube channel, I think she should just start one. Anyways, we were one-on-one for the most part, but we ended up taking a hike to Hot Springs with a group of friends. You guys know I like free things, right? I like to do free things, so I'm about to show you guys the free thing to do.
yeah. This place looks dope. So I gotta film right now real quick because people be naked here and nobody's here right now besides us. So I gotta do this quick. Almost finished this entire bottle of margarita. Let's actually interview my sister. It's her first time in Cali. I just want to hear what her thoughts are. How you liking it?
I love it.
You guys are going down? Good luck. You guys got this. I know, I'm pumped. You guys were here all night? Were you guys drinking? Nice. That's what I did. I brought the margaritas. That's what's up. That's a good way to spend the day.
Bye, man. Be careful.
Nadia almost died. Nadia almost died.
I told my sister, I don't think we hung out like this since she was in high school, which was years ago.
Bro, there's a legit wild mouse. There's a legit wild mouse in the zoo, man. I guess it should be expected, to be honest. Look, she's scared. She ran.
You know, being in new cities with a sibling and witnessing their reactions is something worth experiencing. I'm sure you all heard this before, but life happens so fast. I mean, seriously, I remember living with my siblings all under one roof, acting crazy, getting yelled at when it was bedtime because we couldn't stop goofing around. Man, I miss those days. But after this one-on-one time I spent with my sister, I realized how much one-on-one time with family is necessary. We all have our own lives, our own responsibilities. Some of my sisters even have their own families. Our siblings grow, they evolve. New things matter to them. One-on-one time is a great way to deep dive on those things that matter. I hope this video inspires you to spend some one-on-one time with someone you love. Thanks for watching.